In this guide, we're going over what the WhatsApp single tick only means. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Begin by opening up WhatsApp, and what you're going to want to understand is in a specific chat. So let's just open up this one as an example, this chat with myself. If you open up WhatsApp and you see one gray tick compared to the two gray, or I guess blue ticks that are technically in all these pictures or messages right here, if you see one gray tick, it means your message was sent from your phone to WhatsApp servers. However, it has not been delivered to the other person's phone yet. This usually means the other person's phone is off, their internet is disconnected, or WhatsApp cannot reach their device right now. As soon as their message reaches their phone, it changes to two gray ticks. And if they open and read the message, it's going to change to the two blue ticks that you're seeing on this chat right here. If read receipts are turned on, exclusively though, they have to have read receipts turned on. So one gray tick essentially just means the message was sent but not delivered to the recipient yet. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.